Hello everyone. My research topic is learning vocabulary through chatbots, and I firstly want to give some information about what is the chatbot. A chatbot is a literal program which communicates to users through messaging or chat interface. The idea is to think about chatbots a personal assistant that you can message and ask some simple things. It can be used via interfaces such as Facebook Messenger, Telegram, or WhatsApp. And you can message and talk with chatbots as they were human. Um, and these robots are like your personal English learning assistants that you can take everywhere. Most students enjoy using the chatbots. There are lots of chatbots that designed for learning English. They can really good at reminding you of things and giving you information that you need at the right time. And statement of the problem is during the class, students may or may not have enough time for practicing their English or learn vocabulary. Students that learning a language at university have few classes for practice. And my purpose of the study is the main purpose of this study is to investigate the effectiveness of use chatbots in educational environment, which have become widespread in recent years, and to find out what their expectations are, and to investigate the fact that students use chatbots to learn vocabulary on their own. Significance is this research paper will explain why the chatbots helpful in improving your English vocabulary, how to use them in everyday life. Also, this research will guide you through advantages and drawbacks of using chatbots for education purposes, which give us useful tool for English teacher a new effective way of studying. And the population of the study is university students. The surveyed people's level was pre-intermediate and intermediate, a total of 10 people, and they are aged between 18 and 22. Um, my data collection has three phases. The first phase is vocabulary test that served as a pre-test based on the traditional teaching to investigate the effect of using chatbot. And next, after that, it took place in first week of study, and next the chat was introduced to the class, and essential explanation was given to make the interaction easier. The second phase of data collection involved the post-test. It took place at second week of study. The same level but not the same test was used as post-test, and it was administered to group to measure the effect of using the treatment chatbot-based vocabulary exercises on students' vocabulary attention. The vocabulary test was designed following the same format of vocabulary questions. It consists of 3 main questions, including 25 items and multiple choice and completion formats. Test questions are given in the form of multiple choice questions, 4 options A, B, C, D. The students were given 1 minute to answer each question. The third and the last phase was carried out by the end of the experiment through a set of questionnaire on students' experience of using chatbots. I searched the most useful and suitable chatbot and found out the chatbot LennyBot. It's very popular in the. I searched the most suitable and the most helpful chatbot to students that help them learn vocabulary, and found out the chatbot called LennyBot. The LennyBot will make learning and improving English simply and accessible for everyone. And in this chatbot, no installation of applications, registration, and confusing interfaces. It's always free, always at hand. And you can use this chatbot in Messenger and Telegram. It helps replenish vocabulary. It already helps users to learn English. And the user sets the goal by himself or herself, the number of words that he or she wants to remember. He sees how much time it will take to study and monitors his or her process and systematically moves to result. For example, if you learn 20 words a day, you will learn 7,300 words in a year. And user select his or her English level and the reason that he or she wants to learn English. Also, users select their own and exact time that they want to learn. After that, the chatbot will send you material that you will learn and will remind you every time, twice a day. The main task of this chatbot is to help users expand their vocabulary. I have 3 questions, research questions. The first one is, how can a chatbot help learn English vocabulary? The second one is, with which chatbots you can practice English every day? And third one is, what are the benefits of using them and how do students use them? Also, I made pre-test and post-test. As you can see in the result of the test, there is a difference between pre-test and the post-test results. Thus, these chatbot applications have an effect on improving students' vocabulary in the 2 weeks. Also, I had interviews